Welcome to AP Drones. I want to talk about the DJI Avata. I'm sure you've seen a ton of unboxing videos, so we're not going to get into the unboxing and all of that good stuff. Just want to really talk about the drone. The one thing I will mention, the kit that I did get had the newer version of the goggles. I did have the DJI FPV, the original. Didn't really suit my purposes, so I got rid of it. I primarily fly for real estate photography. So I wanted something FPV that I could fly inside some larger residence with more control and safety. The original one didn't give me that. This one absolutely does. Right out of the box, and I'll show you some footage shortly of my first flight and some subsequent flights after that. Super easy to fly. The only downfall that I would say initially in the kit that they offer is the motion controller. I like the motion controller. It's super intuitive. It's fun to fly with. But for my purposes, I would like the ability to have been able to get something that had the traditional controller right from the get-go, rather than having to order it and purchase it separately. I also got the Fly More kit. That came with 2 additional batteries when that comes in. The drone itself comes with 1 battery, but the Fly More kit, the charger, comes for 4 batteries. So I'm going to order that additional battery just so I'll have those 4 batteries. Flight time, I'm really getting between 12 and 14 minutes out of it. So not bad. Less than what they advertise, but still for FPV, not bad. Not bad at all. Want to show you some footage? So let's take a look at it. I think that these goggles are fantastic. I need to wear glasses for reading. The concern is always how good am I going to be able to see and not get eye fatigue while I'm using goggles like this. The adjustability is incredible. I don't need to wear my glasses while I'm wearing the goggles. And I know that with this particular goggles, it comes with extra lenses that you could have sent out to get filled to your script. But I didn't need to do that. Very comfortable. They're a different design from the last generation, so they don't need the head strap over the top, just the back. I know some people complain that they didn't seem to be comfortable. I didn't find that wearing them for the time of the batteries. Didn't get any eye fatigue, and they were very comfortable. I will say that depending on how I'm flying or how aggressively I'm flying, Sometimes I do get a little dizzy. This view is obviously from inside the goggles. If you put the SD card into the goggles, this is the view that you're going to get. As you can see, flying and hitting, small branches doesn't upset it. The drone just keeps going. Putting the drone in the sport mode doubles the speed, and if you're able to use the regular remote controller, it again doubles the speed when you're flying full manual. Super intuitive inside. If you follow the H, always gets you back home. Just want to come back and, say in conclusion, I absolutely would buy this drone again. It's tough. It's pretty durable. I did have a few mishaps, bounced off of some trees, hit the ground, hit a wall inside the house, and it went down. Some scuff marks on it, and those are minor, but the drone is super durable. Nothing short than I would expect for DJI, being familiar with their other products. My primary drones, like I think I mentioned before, Inspire 2, and also the DJI Mavic 3 Cine. Would I recommend this drone for someone to buy that wants to get into FPV? Absolutely. This is my first FPV. I can't wait to get the regular controller so I can get into manual mode and try to learn how to fly that way, to have even more control over what the drone actually does and to get more of that FPV experience.
Thanks again for watching another AP Drones video. I'm going to do a full review of the Avata, just waiting for the traditional remote controller to come in and also the ND filters.